It's Jade, your skin PT, and I would like to talk about collagen and elastin and a little bit about skin today. Surprise! All right, so collagen is a coiled up molecule, kind of like a slinky, you know, that old toy. So it's coiled and it's also cylindrical. So when we're growing skin, those spiraled cylindrical layers of collagen, and there's 14, 16 different types of collagen, not just one. So these types of collagen lay down in a parallel way. And then elastin comes through and weaves through that collagen network. So skin is actually a basket weave of collagen and elastin, and then there's tendons that attach, and then ligaments that eventually attach. So it's a huge world of alive molecules. And as we age, skin gets put lower down on the totem pole of regeneration. Our body makes different choices with the available energy, so skin doesn't regenerate like it did when we were younger. And so then how do we stimulate our skin to regrow with all that rich kind of collagen instead of the inferior process that occurs as we begin aging? And it's simple. There are techniques in the clinic where you don't wound the skin, but you do heat it up. And this stimulates a regeneration process. And then if your skincare products have enough peptides in them, then you have all the ingredients to regrow perfectly healthy skin. All the rich kinds of collagen that we have. And it's important to understand that collagen is a protein, and proteins are built up with tiny little bits of peptides, and peptides are built from tiny little amino acids. So it's so important to have enough amino acids in your body to build the peptides that build the proteins so that you have that rich network. And as we get older, we stop up regulating these peptides. And so you can supplement that either orally, and then there are a lot of skincare options these days with active ingredients that are superior. And one more thing, the active ingredients have to be present in a high enough concentration to actually make a difference. As we age and our body stops regenerating skin, it declines in its integrity. The skin becomes thinner and more fragile and loose. It's not attached to its bony structure anymore. And so we've talked about ways in the clinic that we can do to heat up the skin to stimulate regeneration of all those different types of collagen. And if our skincare has enough of pharmaceutical grade actives, honestly, in them, then there's enough ingredients to rebuild the skin. And then the final thing that's so important is having enough circulating amino acids in your body, because collagen is a protein that is made up of amino acids. So
There's two
if you're not
things
that I feel like I didn't cover as well as I could have. The first one is, if you do go into the clinic to have any sort of treatment to stimulate regeneration, I just felt like it was worth mentioning again how important it is not to wound your skin. And the reason is, when we burn our skin, it stimulates a regeneration process that is really scar tissue formation. It's not the same process as stimulating the skin to regenerate all the different rich types of collagen that we have. So there are some times that we would choose to burn skin. For example, if you want to get rid of pigment or if you have a vessel. But other than that, burning is not the right strategy for firming and regenerating.